All right, so like I said, I'm going to be logging into an hosting account I have with this guy. So let me just log in here. So once I'm logged in, I get to see this is my dashboard. Services are my hosting packages that I have with them, either SSL or any other services. I have 7 domains with them. So if I go to my services, I have a couple of domains with them. So I will just log into the company's hosting package. So that is wmc.com.ng. So I bought a domain from them and also an hosting, still following the same pattern that I did in this tutorial. So here, like I said, I bought a cPanel hosting. As you can see on the screen on this left here, you can see I have login. Oh, sorry, I don't want to do that now. So you can see I have login to cPanel. As I'm pointing on the screen, you can see log into cPanel. So you want to log into your cPanel account. This is where you get to set up your WordPress site for the domain that you've just gotten from this hosting provider. So when I click on log into cPanel, it loads and taps to another screen. So this is what cPanel looks like. This is what your cPanel account looks like. So here you get, it's not just about building website alone. You have a couple of other features that cPanel offers to you. We have email services. You get to set up corporate emails like info@wmc.com.ng, contact at acompany.com, blah blah blah. So these are all the domain configuration. Jetback, all these are backup services that cPanel is offering you. Then cPanel also have a file management system, just like storage on your mobile phone. cPanel also offers that to you. SEO tools, they also offer database services for developers because obviously the website you are building would need a database to store information. So they also offer database database services. But the reason why we are here is how to install a WordPress site in a cPanel. So there's a tool in cPanel that is called Softaculous. So Softaculous is a CMS installer. So Softaculous help you to install a couple of CMS services out there. Examples are WordPress, Drupal, Joomla. It's not just only WordPress that we have out there that's a CMS. We have a couple of other CMS too, performing their own function in their own um, niche. But the most common of them is the WordPress. So in your cPanel dashboard, you can come to the search tool at the top right corner. Just type Softaculous. So you can see Softaculous app installer. So here you can just click on the Softaculous app installer. It takes you to the installation screen. Like I said, there are a lot of CMS out there like WordPress. So there are just a whole lot of them. You can see WordPress, Joomla, Open Real Estate, Laravel, Concrete. So it all depends on what you want to build. But like I said, WordPress is the commonest, and this is why we are here. So this is WordPress. You just click on install. So on clicking on install, it takes you to the screen where you have to install your WordPress. So on this installation page, it shows you the domain that you have bought from your hosting provider. Like I have a couple of other domains with them. So I will just select the first domain that I have with them. So when you select the domain that you um, have with them, the next thing you want to go and do is to enter the site name. Let's say in this case, we are building for wsm.com.ng. I can say my site name is Wordpress, no, Wordpress Media Tech. Oh, Media Tech. So this is the site name of your client or your client company name. Then this is the site description. This is just a description of what the company is doing. You can say media and business branding. So the next thing you want to set is the admin username. This is where you set the admin username. So for security reason, don't use admin as the username, because using admin as the username is it makes your site prone to hacking, because every hacker knows that the default username that WordPress will suggest to you while setting it up is admin. So they use that as a brutal force. So use something that is most likely unique. Like in this case, I can use WMC admin. So like this, it's not easy to guess, and it safeguards you from brutal force attack from the bad guys. So the next one you want to do is to enter the password. You can leave the password if you are okay with it, but if you are not okay, you can just change it to. But um, um, above it all, use something that is secure. So the next one is the admin email. This is the administrator email aside from the admin username. So here I can use info wmc .com.ng. It can be Gmail, it can be anything. So the next thing I want to do is you can skip all of this. If you want to install a plugin, I know we've not gotten there, but you want to skip this as a beginner. So just skip everything and just click on install. So while this is installing, you wait for it to install. So when that is done, you get this screen after the installation is completed. So you say congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been installed at wfc.com.ng. Administrative URL is this. That is, this is the admin URL that you have to log in as an admin. So the first thing you want to do is to check your your website homepage by clicking on this domain that you have bought. So when I click on that, it opens another tab where I get to see what the default WordPress template looks like what I'm seeing on the screen now. So this is your default website. So if you want to log into the admin, you can click this button directly, which takes you to the admin, or you can from here, sorry, when you click on this thing, it takes you directly to the admin, because your administrative session is still active. So when you click on this, it takes you directly to the admin dashboard, which takes us to our next tutorial that talks about navigating the WordPress dashboard. So this is the admin. So in the next tutorial, we'll be looking at navigating through the admin dashboard.